to be
Where is
stiff.
it? I want to look at it.
It's in the bathroom.
It's in the bathroom? Okay, there's this like bird that they're spazzing about. Holy shit. Oh my god! Holy shit. Holy crap! Look at that! You see this? Oh my god. Holy crap.
Alright, Nick, I need your help. Alright? He's scared. I don't know how to catch it. How do you catch a bird?
How to get in here? This is awesome.
No, it's not.
Here, I'll do it. Record me. Record this.
No. Towel, maybe. I don't know. I don't know what to do with it.
You trap it in the thing, Mom. Mom, I'll do it. Mom, I'll do it.
Okay, you do it.
Record me. Record me.
But you're gonna kill it. Don't kill it.
I won't kill it.
You're not gonna get it that way. We need to like throw a towel over it. I think that's probably the best.
Record me.
How do I don't know how to record.
Just hold it up.
Better not put it
I'm
on
recording
Facebook.
right now. No. Other side.
Nick, don't put it on Facebook.
Do I just throw it on there? What if it takes a shit on me or something?
Nicholas!
Throw the towel over the bird.
Okay, wait. I'm gonna wait until it goes on that thing. Hey. Hey.
You should put bird food in
Right
the
there.
calendar.
So I can get you. It's in
Oh, no. It's gonna get hit by the fan. Turn the fan off. Turn the fan off, Nick. Quick.
I am. God. Mom, record. This is gonna be YouTube, man.
No, it's
Better
not.
not on Facebook.
No, it's
So I throw it on there?
I don't know. I don't know how to catch a bird. Oh, what if we shoo it out your window? Shut the door and shoo it out the window.
It's in my computer.
Open your window.
Holy! Yeah, I want to get out there.
Okay, but where is it?
Right. Open it.
I don't want to.
Here, hand me
Okay, we gotta shove it. We gotta shove it this way.
How we shove it?
Go this way, bird. Go this way, bird. This way, this way, this way. Come on this way, bird. Come here, come here. Get on this. Get on this. Get on this.
It's just laying there.
Oh, don't be hurt.
How'd it get hurt?
I don't know.
Holy crap! Holy!
Where is he?
He's on my shelf. God!
Alright, well I think it's time to move this.
Did you just poop on my window? Oh my gosh, I see it. Be careful of her. She's fragile.
Can't get these.
What if it makes a nest on my shelf? That would be kind of cool.
Just needs to get out.
Birdie, over there. Should I throw something at it?
Try and
Well,
distract it this way so it'll fly out the window.
Come on.
Go, go, go! No!
Not
No! Shoot!
so stupid.
Here, let's open this one too, and then it'll have two
That it's. Where is it now?
on the ground.
Let me see it.
dirty.
How'd it get inside anyways?
I have no idea.
Didn't this happen to us before in the basement? Oh, my Domo hat.
Go this way. No.
This is gonna take forever. Why you didn't open the... Mom, you got... Oh, okay, you already did. What if...
Go?
It's in my closet.
I know, but where?
Here, I'll turn on the lights. Maybe I should get like pots and pans and bang them.
I don't want to scare it any more than it already
Well,
is.
we're gonna have...
Go.
Mom, don't stick your head in there.
Oh, it's not gonna hurt me.
What if it flies into your face and blinds you? Just disappeared?
I don't know. You try and find it.
Oh, I think I see it.
Where?
I think it's behind my bunny thing. I'm gonna go get pots and pans.
No.
Well, we have to bang them. Mom, I'm not gonna sleep in my room with a bird inside my closet.
No, you're not. Oh, here he is.
Is it dead?
No.
Where is it?
Right here.
Is he just laying there?
I think it's hurt now.
Oh my god!
Okay, in this thing. Out the window! Out the window! Go out! Go up! Go up!
What is it doing? Put it in my hat. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be ruined.
No, it's not.
It's gonna have bird poop all over it. Did you get it?
Kind of, but I'm afraid it's...
Get out! Get out! Throw the hats out! Yeah, owned!